Understanding ISR router intelligent network solution of modern implements introduction. In the evolving recaps of network and information technology, the need of effects and intelligent routing solution, a payment intelligent service router ISR have a imagine of version and indisciplined components of modern implements. These effects provide a comprehensive overview of ISR router, exploring their signifies key features, development sincerely on the benefits they bidding of organizations. What are ISR router? Definition: installing service router ISR are a family network router developed by Cisco Systems. They are designed of provide of variant regent of intelligent service body and line traduction routing such sincerely voice, video, wireless and application optimization evaluations. ISR have a involved of time transactions from basic routing development of manufacturing plants that can consider wireless network service in the single device. Key feature and compatibilities. Multi-service introduction. ISR can be installing multiple services including routing, switching, security, voice and application optimization into a single platform. Scalability. ISR come a virtually of models to meet the device need of organic of the small business into legal impairments. Security. They offer robust security features including firewall, VPN, intrusion, privacy, and content filtering to protect network traffic and data. Voice video installation. ISR can support of voice overview and video configuration, marking then a stable of unfit combination developments. Application optimization. Data router optimization network traffic by processing capital applications and enhancing effects broadcast of unwatching developments considerations. Bridge official continuity. ISR can be commonly of users branch effects of proves sincerely and replied connectivity of to the main corporate network EDH router. Many organization development ISR router eager of router of content the internal network of layout of the internet, installing traffic security and optimization. Remote side connectivity. ISR and ideal of connecting remote side of technologies of the coastal network when be matching heavy level security and platforms.